Good morning, guys. I want to bring y'all a quick, short mobile update this morning as I'm drinking my coffee. As we have had some decent price action with some of my favorite altcoins happen overnight, as I kind of expected. If you go back and watch my live stream from last night, I go over a few of these coins. I go over Ethereum, Atom, Tezos, Algorand, Chainlink in that stream. But if you haven't already, if you are a fan of altcoins, I do plan on covering more altcoins. I've noticed doesn't seem to be as much coverage for those smaller altcoins. So I plan on trying to do that. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Since my video from, I believe it was 4 days ago, I've gained over 20 subscribers. So I really do appreciate that very much. It means so much. I'm up to 67 subscribers. Brand new channel, just starting out. Also, criticism is appreciated. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I could do better. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me if you like these short mobile updates in the mornings. Excuse me. I figured some people might be like me and they work and they're heading out the door. So a quick, short 5-minute mobile update that they can just pop up on their phone and watch might be convenient for those types of people. So I might continue to do these in the mornings. With that being said, though, like I said, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And I'm going to go ahead and jump on into the chart. Make sure you watch all the way through because I will be doing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Atom, and Algorand. I'm just going to go over these really fast to follow up on my live stream last night. So on my live stream last night, I drew in this bearish trend line here on Bitcoin. Let's see, this is the 2-hour chart. Let me go on to the 4-hour. Okay. So I had this bearish trend line drawn in here, and we did break up out of it here. And this was kind of as I expected. If the wedge, it filled out almost to the very tip before breaking out. On my live stream, as we were watching it, you know, it was just sitting over here. Over here somewhere, and we were just waiting for that break to see which direction Bitcoin would break out of this wedge. Well, as I expected, and as I said in my video or my stream last night, it broke to the upside. You know, I mentioned that many of these wedges and these patterns like this lately have been breaking to the upside because we are in a bull run, in my opinion. So with Bitcoin, we do still need to break 40K if we want to come up and retest 41 or 42. I could see us getting some rejection there at 40K, but we'll have to wait and see how that plays out with these candles. Go down to the hourly and see how this looks. So yeah, it took, last night on my live stream, we were pretty much spot on with this Bitcoin chart because I mean, it literally filled out to the very tip of that wedge before breaking out to the upside as I expected. So that's a nice little breakout there of that. Now, if we can just hold above these key areas here, if we can hold above these and get a run up to retest 42, possibly hit a little resistance and then break through it would be nice. We'll have to see how that plays out for Bitcoin. Not much else for Bitcoin, guys, except we did break out of this wedge. So that's a good sign. I'm going to go ahead and throw it over to Ethereum. And then I'll do Atom next, and then Algorand. Alright, so guys, with Ethereum, you know, we came down and just wicked down and touched 1500. I mean, we just literally came down and wicked and touched 1500 right there. Now I did say that, I don't know if I said this in one of my videos, but 1500 was a target to look for a bounce, I believed. If not, I thought we would have, if we broke 1500, I said we needed to stay above 1500 to get a nice bounce and a run back up, which we did. We just came down and barely wicked it and touched it. And that got us a nice bounce, a nice run back up. And now what's happening is we came back up to retest this bearish trend line here. And you can see here, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see right there that we are getting a little bit of a rejection there on that. So we could see a little bit of a downwards movement. Maybe not quite that much. We may just come down to these EMAs, these moving averages, catch support on them, and then bounce through it. We'll just have to see how that goes. But yeah, we could see a little bit of a downwards move there, as we're catching some rejection there on the top of that bearish trend line. You know, I said in my stream last night, I was like, don't be the guy that, you know, buys over here, misses the top, and then sells down here because they're panicking. You know, don't be that guy. I know a lot of people were probably panicking during this drop with Ethereum because we did break some key areas of support. But you can see what happened. We sprung back up. We just bounced straight back up into this channel. Caught some resistance here at the top of that. So we'll just have to see how that plays out, guys. My hopes are that we will catch a bounce on those moving averages and pump back up. And also, this is the 1 hour chart, but I mentioned this in my live stream as well. I think it was for Ethereum, that a possible inverse head and shoulders with a neckline right here where we're hitting this resistance at. So we'll have to see how this plays out. If we can get a break above this neckline of this possible inverse head and shoulders, then that could be very bullish, guys, and that could give us a nice run on up. So we'll have to see how that goes with Ethereum. I'm going to jump on to Atom real quick, then I'm going to do Algorand, and then I'll cut it short for you guys so we can all get on with our days. And hopefully it's a good one. I hope you all have a wonderful Monday. It is Monday, you know, back to the grind, but let's make the best of it. And let's have a, hopefully everybody has a green Monday. So with Atom, with Cosmos Atom, we have seen a nice run up to $15. We came right up to about $15.05. So I put that line in there, as you can see, because that seems to be a major area. Psychological target there, $15. But we have had a nice run, guys. We broke 950, we broke 11, shattered through 11, caught a little bit of resistance there at 13, had a little bit of a consolidation after this nice run up. Now we're having a kind of a nice run, and if I zoom in, it looks like we're having a little bit of consolidation here. Yeah, just a little bit of sideways movement here. We are still above these EMAs. So if we can hold above these EMAs, it is possible we could get a bounce and a push above $15. That would be super bullish for Atom, guys. We have came a long ways. As I said in my live stream, I sure wish I would have bought some more at about $5.50, because now we're sitting close to $15. So huge gains happening this year already in the crypto space. It's amazing. If you're new to crypto, if you're new to the channel, first of all, hit that subscribe button and smash the hell out of that like button for me. It means a lot. It helps the algorithm and supports the channel and supports what I'm trying to do. But if you're new to this, just understand that it is very risky, you know, but with the great risk comes great reward. You know, you just have to play it right, do your own research, watch people like me and other YouTubers, and gather different ideas and opinions from different sources, and then formulate your own strategy. That is how you do this, because you don't need to go off just anyone's advice. You don't need to just take one person's advice and trade off of that or buy and sell off of that, because that could get you wrecked. So find multiple sources of information and create your own strategy. That's what I've done. I've been investing since 2018, and so far it's worked out okay for me. I mean, I've had losses, but overall in the long term it's looking good. So with Atom, guys, you can see we're catching a bounce on that EMA down there, but we may see some downwards movement here as we are below this top moving average there. We could see a little bit more downside, or possibly just sideways movement, sideways price action as this consolidates after this major run. Because I mean, this is a huge run. You know, we didn't have a whole lot of consolidation here. We had some before we ran up again after this run. So a little bit of consolidation here would make sense before another move up. So we'll have to see how that plays out. Alright guys, I'm going to jump on ALGORAND real quick, and I'm going to cut it short. Alright guys, as I said in my previous ALGORAND videos, I said we are on our way to $1 US, okay? We were, let's see, we were down here around, I believe, the 70 cent range, 76 cent range. We were down here in that video, and I said, you know, if we break this 76 cent range here, I said if we can get a nice break of that and retest the top of this, I said that could be enough to possibly break the top of that. I mentioned that, you know, a break of this 76 cent range and a retest of it as support, which we did here. We broke it, retested it for support here, got support, had a nice run up, and we broke through this. Okay, now we're sitting at about 94 cents, so we're real close to that dollar mark that I had put in there. The dollar is just right here, guys. You know, so far I've been kind of spot on with this, with ALGO. That 76 cent range seemed to be very significant. I knew that if we broke that 76 cent range, we could get a nice run up to retest the top of this channel and hopefully break it, which we did. So we'll have to see what happens next with this, with ALGO, but in my opinion, it's looking good. We could come back down, maybe retest this for support and get a bounce. You know, if the sell pressure is real strong, we could see a break back into this channel, get a bounce, and then a break back out of it possibly. Either way, super bullish, guys. This was just what, whoops, this was just not too long ago. Was, yeah, back in January was 30, less than 30. Well, yeah, the beginning of this year, it was around 33 cents, 30 cents, and now we're close to $1, guys. So what a beautiful, beautiful run up this rising channel. Nice break out of this rising channel. So super bullish moves happening. We'll just have to see how this plays out, guys, with ALGO. I just wanted to do this quick update this morning for you guys because of the price action that happened overnight. But that's about it for right now. I'll try to bring y'all another video later, maybe this afternoon, or possibly tomorrow. But I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a great day.